I'm Aimee Aul. I lead the Discover Fullerton on foot walking tours for the City of Fullerton Department of Parks and Recreation. And we are here at Maple School doing the Maple School and Lemon Park Murals walking tour. Maple School is one of Fullerton's oldest schools. This is a picture of the original structure from 1924. And it was called Maple School because this street, Valencia, used to be Maple, and Lemon Street used to be Harvard. The streets have changed, but the school has remained in this place. This 1924 structure was damaged in the 1933 earthquake. And so that was one of the structures in Fullerton that got on the radar of the federal government for the WPA, Franklin Roosevelt's New Deal. And so we got a new deal and a new structure. This scene from 1966 shows the new structure, the unadorned concrete. It's in a style called Depression Moderne, which is characterized, as we see here in the building, by symmetry, by simple recessed windows, and by these repeating patterns of, upward, vertical lines and repeating patterns. It's reminiscent of sort of an Art Deco style, and it's been called the architecture of reassurance because people in the 1930s sure needed a lot of reassurance, especially from their federal government. I like to show this picture of the first faculty of Maple School in 1924. Look at those bright-eyed, idealistic young teachers. I have a feeling this picture was taken at the beginning of the school year when they're still really energetic and enthusiastic young 20s girls with their bobbed hair. I just love this shot. When Maple School opened in 1924, it served the south side of Fullerton, which historically was the only place that a non-white family could rent or own a home in Fullerton. Although that housing discrimination was deemed illegal with the Dawson-Burnell case in 1943, it continued in practice for decades. So by the mid-1960s, Fullerton had a real segregation problem, which was addressed to the dismay of just about everybody involved with one-way busing. And that was just very unpopular for a long, long time. The neighborhood didn't like it, and they wanted to have their own school. It took a long time to reopen the school. Maple School was closed in 1972. It was still used as a community center and a Head Start program location, but it wasn't reopened until 1996 with a kindergarten class, and that added one class per year until it was fully filled and fully operating as one of our wonderful 17 Fullerton public schools. Maple School's subname is Environmental Science and Experiential Learning, and the school is striving to be at the forefront of environmental education. And later on, when we take a look at some of the murals, you get to see that illustrated in the beautiful art pieces that they have on campus. The 4th through 6th graders get to experience life-changing experiences going to Catalina Marine Science Institute and Astro Camp. So these multi-day experiences they get to have as a part of an environmental sciences learning community. Okay, this beautiful three-part mosaic was created in 1917 by Fullerton School District students under the direction of guest artist Catherine England. Catherine is well known for her mosaics. You can see her work up at St. Jude's too, and devotes countless hours to all the Arts for All the Kids Foundation. And this mural was made in an after-school program. The flowers were designed by the children at Maple School, and the panels on either side are filled with bugs, animals, and flowers that were made over several days by representatives from all the classrooms of Maple School, along with Fullerton firefighters. So a truly collaborative artwork. I especially love how Catherine used the repeating motif of the black and white to sort of echo the vertical lines in the architecture. It's a real example of an art piece really working with the building. The mural on the other side of this wall is La Mujer Latina by Emigdio Vasquez Sr. from 1998. And it replaces an earlier mural that was just sort of an Aztec design. It was faded by the sun. And this mural has had some damage too, but it shows the strong women throughout Mexican and Mexican-American history in sort of an upward march through history on the side of this wall.